Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your speaker Sony. You have to start by press power button and minus button until the speaker is turned off. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and after that press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker. And right now click add your speaker at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!